Well, it's Tuesday.
Either that or Christmas.
Either that or... Well, Christmas is coming, so you might want to get some ideas from what we're talking about. Because it's a ways off.
Not that far of a ways, but...
They got the Christmas decorations in the store, but they put those out usually right after the 4th of July. So
that's right.
There's nothing going on there. Used to be they didn't put them out until Thanksgiving.
The day after.
The day after, exactly. Anyway, we digress. We last week we did some of the bicycle kits that you've been building. And we mentioned that Karyn also collects die casts in the same scale, and then that way they can all look good together because they're all done to 1/8 scale.
They're just fun.
And a lot of the automobiles that I've collected, most of my automobile collection, my Ferrari, my Porsche, all these are done in 8 scale. I just love 8 scale.
It's an 8 scale.
And but bicycles and motorcycles, and I've got that whole collection of 8 scale die cast motorcycles too.
Yeah.
Anyway, today we're talking about 8 scale die cast bicycles. Bicycles. And they're so collectible, like a lot of the die casts are just made for a short period of time, and then they are on the collector's market. So this is a Starliner.
Oh, this is like every little girl's dream, right? How many little girls woke up Christmas morning to one of these guys under the tree?
And the model is made by this weird company. What is it?
Xonix.
Xonix.
Something you take when you can't sleep.
And they're made in China, as so many collectible things are. A quick digression here. You may have noticed that a lot of these kinds of things are no longer coming out of China. The Chinese labor market's just pricing themselves out of the labor market, and it's kind of destroying the market for cheap Chinese toys, because they'll still make them, but they're not going to be cheap anymore, not if they've actually got to pay people a living wage.
There you go.
I digress. Anyway, this was made quite a while ago.
1991, almost 30 years ago.
30 years old. And these are out there. You just have to get on eBay and set up an auto search and stuff, and doink, one will come up. And they made a ton of these.
I like the box. I love that mid-century look.
Isn't that just cool beyond all belief? Man. Let's pull that one out and take a look at it.
This is a 1950.
Yeah.
So that's the bike to have right there.
And I hate to mention that I actually had a bike in the 1950s. It kind of dates me, doesn't it?
Well, I had a bike that was from the 1950s that belonged to my aunt, but we're not going to go there. That was my first bike.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, these are bigger than 8 scale.
They are.
I thought they were 8 scale.
Yeah, and this one should be able to go. If I water it, I'll bet you it will grow.
It's just like a real bicycle.
It is. Technically, it is a real bicycle. Oh, that one's got a little issue.
Is it on the loose there?
It's on the loose. We've got to find out why.
So this is why we need to, first of all, when we display them, then we can see them and enjoy them instead of having them in a box in the attic.
Right.
A lot of what we've been doing ever since we started the Tuesday show is getting stuff out of the attic.
See, these work. Isn't that cool?
Isn't that neat?
You could have your Barbie ride your bike. It's just Barbie sized.
So that's perfect. It's more like 6 scale or something.
Pretty close. It's got rubber pedals. I mean, the pedals are...
I don't know why I was thinking these were 8 scale. I thought these were all 8 scale.
Oh, I don't know. We've had them put away so long, and maybe we forgot. But this
I would say this is 6 scale.
Now, that one... You know what? It's just like
it's
my
just
bike.
Like the real bike.
Hey, it is. My handlebars used to do that and everything because I couldn't leave my...
tilt the whole...
Oh, I was always adjusting mine, and my dad was like, will you leave that alone?
And then the basket's a real basket instead of a metal basket, and it's kind of tweaked. Everything needs a little adjusting, and then
a little.
Some proper display.
Yeah, isn't that cool? I mean, it's just like a real bike. I mean, if I were little, I could actually ride this thing.
But this one is the Starliner.
Isn't that fun?
The Starliner.
What a bicycle. They were like the Cadillac of bicycles, right?
No kidding. And they had the fake gas tank and the little headlight. And
the spring in the front like Schwinn bikes had.
These things weighed so much they were impossible to ride. Well, of course, once you got them up to speed, they wanted to just keep going forever. The darn bike must have weighed 100 pounds all by itself.
Yeah, this is so similar to the one I had. By the time I got my bike, it'd been ran over and was wore out. It belonged to my aunts and my dad when I was first wanting to ride a bike, and get a hold of this old bike. And I mean, the seat was gone. It used to eat my chain guard. It used to eat my pants, get me covered in grease. But yeah, I could go really fast.
I hope you had something on there for a seat.
I didn't. I couldn't reach the seat to start with, and when I could, it would eat holes in my pants because it was bare metal. I mean, it was like shot. And
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that's a story in and of itself.
I guess. I'd hate to sit on the blunt post there.
Oh, it was.
Let's
It was a stretch.
let's dig out another one here just for fun. This is an Olympia.
Oh boy.
An Olympia from the same era and the same company and everything. I have no idea how many of these things the company made. This one is from 1990 as well.
Wow.
Well, this is the newspaper, the paper
Oh,
boy.
there it is, the paper boy.
So it's got the papers and
that's
the
really
bag
cool.
for the papers. This is my favorite one.
Yes, that was yours.
And
Isn't that fun? Look at this.
there it is.
Man. Wow.
Now, if you had a paper route, which I had for a brief period, you could earn enough money in a month to buy one of these. I mean, it was a real life job.
Oh, look at that.
You could pick up $50 to $70 a month with a paper route. It's a lot
It's
of
got
work.
a little shudder there going on in the... Yeah, anyway. And the kickstand works. That's what's fun about these guys. I mean, everything on them works. And the handlebars.
Springer front end, functional, no less.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No kidding. I mean, if you hit a bump with that, you're going to know it.
This is loose. We gotta do a repair
It
there.
looks like we'll be making some repairs. That's on the loose.
Yeah. That's one of the problems, again, when you don't have these things properly displayed. When you dig them
Well,
out of the box, then sometimes you're in for a surprise.
When
That's an
we
easy
bought
fix,
these, we
I
more or
think.
less just looked at them, and then we put them away. We need to get them on display.
Yeah.
Because they've been living in the...
It's like my motorcycle
Closet for a while.
collection. There's a lot of problems with a couple of those bikes because they've just been knocked around. And there are problems from when I got them. I mean, these things are old when you buy them. And
Right.
anyway,
Schwinn.
Schwinn, Columbia, and this is the Olympic.
Yes.
Or the Olympia, which is
Olympia. I think
Olympia.
It just says Columbia, but yeah, I
Columbia,
think
yeah.
it's... Man, it's even got side lights and everything. Wow. It's got the kind of book rack on the back. You can put a
I
buddy
guess
back
it's
there.
just a Columbia, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then turn around this way so you can see the chain guard. Oh, isn't that awesome? I love bicycles, I'll tell you what.
There's buttons on the side of the gas tank there, and that was the horn. At least on mine it was.
Yeah.
And so I could actually reach up with my knee and honk the horn, but you were supposed to reach down with your fingers and but there was a button and batteries, and you could open this up and put batteries in there. At least that's how it was on mine.
That's how it should have. Yeah, I think so.
But wow,
Wow, indeed.
just
Beautiful.
fun and
Beautiful,
interesting
beautiful.
and wonderful
White wall
collectible.
tires.
You know, and it's fun to collect things and oh my.
Already wrecked. See, that's why I don't ride a bike. I do that for real.
Yeah, and then you're on the ground trying to figure out what went wrong.
That's my life.
Well, we digress. Let's. If you want to take a look at Sunday show, we've got something really fun coming up on Sunday. If you haven't been over to the channel, and if you're not a subscriber, then you wouldn't be notified that we're putting the show up on Sunday, and you want to do that. So in order to subscribe and click your notification bell, you can start all that process with the subscribe button, which is coming up now. Are we ready for it? Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this movie on the internet. We hope you didn't find the bicycles and stuff boring.
I need a wrench.
And we will see you here on Sunday with our little special Sunday show. I'll see you then.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.